Yeah, tonight's the end. My name is Haile Maryam Chin. I'm born and raised in Kingston, Jamaica. Right now we're at the Holy Trinity Cathedral in Maxfield Avenue, Kingston, Jamaica. So I was living in New York in the 90s, and a friend of mine had been telling me about the Ethiopian Orthodox Church from when I was in Jamaica. I found out that the headquarters for the Orthodox Church for the Western Hemisphere was in New York, headed by the angel that His Majesty sent to establish a church in the Western Hemisphere. His name is Abuna Yesehaq. So one day, a bunch of Rasta brethren, 7 of us actually, piled up in a van and landed in the Bronx. And it was a life-changing experience, And Abuna Yesehaq was not there that day for the service, but he had gone to Manhattan to do service in Manhattan. And having returned after service, I wanted to speak to him and meet him. So he was taking a rest, and I waited for him, and I actually sat in a chair that after I found out that it was His Majesty's favorite chair, and I had fallen asleep in it. So that was also, very fulfilling to me, I was actually working in New York, but living in Miami, and I was back and forth. So I went back to Miami, and having made contact with a priest, he was sending me all of the literatures and all of the things that I needed to study to become a member, things that I needed to know. And 6 months later, I was baptized, Haile Maryam. And I guess the rest is history, so they say, But yeah, that's where my life really took a beeline, or a U-turn, you could call it. And the church, has been a life-saving gift to me.